Want to know how to share your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you have done that here, you should be seeing this interface right here. Just simply hit towards file and just simply select open to open any recent project. Here you can see recent file as well. You can open it as well. Or just simply select import and import any audio. Now, if you want to share your edited audio, it's super simple. Right here above share effects, you should be seeing share audio. This should be right beside audio setup and above get effects. So you can just simply select it, and once you've done that, here you can just simply edit the track title first, select continue, and now just simply continue with Google or continue with Facebook. And once that is on, you can just simply select continue. It's going to take you to an external browser and you can share it publicly by sharing the file, the link, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.